haven't posted for a while. Just thought I'd throw up a real quick walk around video of 19 STI here for the spring setup. Finally got my full basin R lip kit and everything on there. Looks pretty good. I'll be doing a full review of it here shortly, so if you're interested you can stay tuned for that. But I got my wheels back on, so say everything looks good. So I haven't posted probably for 3 months or so. The car's still running good. Let's see, got it out, cleaned it up for the spring. So I apologize for the wind noise. This wind out here is pretty killer today. So I'll say just the early spring video. Hopefully start posting a little bit more regular if I can. Been locked down for the winter, trying to keep it as nice as I can because it's basically a collector's item now, since Subaru wanted to discontinue everything STI related because they suck. But anyways, let's say it's what we're dealing with right now. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.